David, United Methodist Secretary. I'm going to sing the song, the hymn song, Babandi Mashama Choir.
maintenance of pitch. But dambudziko rakaona kuti maybe mazo unyanya kukwidza key pamamichinjirana pamamumba like falsetto most of the time. Ndikabudisa mukati kare. Then toona dambudziko rekuti pamukupedza mawedzi mukati instead of kupona things like that, not teaching like actually talk with him. My way is that I should teaching some job. And it is. But otherwise, not okay. My sister said, but we better. I know you put a powerful voice in this. I give you all this music. That's why I talk Murora should not know.
Yes, thank you. I want to congratulate the accompanist for keeping it stable and for keeping it quiet, because we always complain about the competition between the voice and the instrument. So well done for keeping that side of things well. Yes, the choice of going near falsetto does compromise on tone quality and does compromise on interpretation. So those two areas have been hurt a little bit because we went up there. Maybe accompanist praise of kuriza key yaizoita kuti munyatse kuita voice ring, not kuti ratinoziva because hatinozive asi even if we don't know you, but we could tell that kaka voice kazoti lero kati petu ndoka kaka petu kanonesa kuti uwe uchuri wetinozoda uunde. So that choice is worrisome and it should continue to worry you. And should you proceed, we would appeal that you go maybe a whole tone low, not even half. A whole tone should see you in a range that makes you bring out the things. Good use of hands, good use of the face. It's a nice, easy-going song, and it was even represented on your feet. So you have obviously worked hard on all those things. And should you make it to the finals, we hope that you'll be able to